Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see the questions related to similar triangle under the series revision for the 2021 examination, and this is the part 3. And now let us see the first question of this episode. Friends, here is a question. In the figure, triangle FEC and triangle GBD are congruent triangles. Here this is FEC, this triangle, FEC, this triangle, and triangle GBD, this triangle. These two triangles are congruent, it is given. And when it is given that these two triangles are congruent, it means their corresponding parts are also equal. It means corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal. And also it is given that angle A is equal, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Here in this triangle ADE, this angle 1 and angle 2, these two angles are equal, and we have to prove that triangle ADE, this triangle ADE and triangle ABC are similar triangles. Now here friends, first it is given that triangle FEC and triangle GBD are congruent. So triangle FEC is congruent to triangle GBD. Since these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides will also be equal. So we will take their corresponding sides, that is BD, and its corresponding side is EC. This is BD, this is BD, and EC, that corresponding sides will also be equal. So here BD is equal to EC. Reason, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now here also we know that in triangle ADE, it is given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It means AD is equal to AE because sides opposite to equal angles are also equal. And here we can write that in triangle ADE, in triangle ADE, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is given. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, therefore AD is equal to AE. AD is equal to AE because the sides opposite to equal angles. And therefore let this be number 1 and this is number 2. Now what we will do, we will add these two, adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2. After adding 1 and 2, what we will get? BD plus AD, BD plus AD, that is equal to EC plus AE, EC plus AE. So after adding we get that BD, this is BD plus AD, and BD plus AD, that will be equal to AB. So this will be AB. That is equal to EC plus AE. What we are getting here? EC plus AE. So it is EC plus AE, that will be equal to total length AC. And so here we get AB is equal to AC. Let this be number 3. Now here from 2 and 3, if we divide this equation 2 by 3, what we will get? That is AD upon AB, AD upon AB, that is equal to AE upon AC, AE upon AC, dividing 2 by 3, dividing this 2 by 3. So AD upon AB, AD upon AB, which is equal to AE upon AC. This ratio is equal and now we will take the two triangles, that is triangle ADE in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, because these two triangles we have to show similar. So triangle ABC, and now in this triangle we see that here in this triangle we know that this angle A is common to triangle ADE and triangle ABC. So angle A is equal to angle A, which is common. Correct? This angle A is in triangle ADE as well as in triangle ABC, so it is common, and this ratio is also equal, and also AD upon AB, which is equal to AE upon AC. Correct? So AD upon AE is equal to AE upon AC, and their included angle is also equal, and therefore by SAS similarity we can show that these two triangles are similar. Therefore triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Reason will be what? SAS similarity. So by SAS similarity we can show that these two triangles are similar, and that only we have to prove, so it is hence proved. Now here is a question. Though through the midpoint M of the side of a parallelogram ABCD, here it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram and M is the midpoint of the side CD of this parallelogram. The line BM is drawn intersecting AC. This line BM is drawn that intersects AC at point L, and AD is produced such that it meets BM if produced at point E. It means if AD is produced and this BM is produced, that will meet at point E, and we have to prove that EL is equal to this EL, this distance EL, that is equal to twice of BL. This is BL, and so we have to prove EL, that is equal to twice of BL. Now friends, here first we will take these two triangles. This is first triangle and this is another triangle, and we will show that these two triangles are congruent triangles. So in triangle, here triangle BMC, this triangle BMC, and triangle, another triangle is EMD, this triangle EMD. We see that this is equal to this, MD is equal to MC, because M is the midpoint of DC, it is given, and since M is the midpoint, DM will be equal to MC. Then second, this angle will be equal to this angle, because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Then we know that this is a parallelogram, and therefore AE is parallel to BC. AE is parallel to BC, that is given, and this will be a transversal, DC will be a transversal. Then this angle and this angle, these two angles will be the alternate interior angles, and these two alternate interior angles are also equal, and therefore by ASA rule these two triangles are congruent. Now we will write up to this. So angle BMC is equal to angle DME, that is vertically opposite angle. Then angle EDM, that is equal to angle BCM, that is what? Alternate interior angles. Correct? These two are alternate interior angles and these two are vertically opposite angle, and also DM is equal to MC because M is the midpoint of BC that is given, and so DM that is equal to MC that is given. Or you can write that M is a midpoint of DC. And therefore these two triangles are congruent. Therefore triangle BMC is congruent to triangle EMD by ASA rule. So these two triangles are congruent. It means their corresponding parts are also equal, and so DE that will be equal to BC. DE that is equal to BC. But we know that ABCD is a parallelogram. It means their opposite sides are also parallel. So but here you will write the reason as CP, CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle, but BC is equal to AD, or you can write AD is equal to BC because ABCD is a parallelogram. And since BC is equal to DE, BC is equal to AD, it means all these three line segments AD, BC and DE are equal, and therefore AD is equal to BC is equal to DE. This all the three line segments are equal. Now the next we will see that here we will take this triangle AEL, this triangle, and another triangle BLC, this triangle. I remove this earlier parts. So here we are taking this triangle AEL and triangle BLC. In these two triangles we will show that these two triangles are similar. So how we will show that these two triangles are similar? Because this angle, correct, AE is parallel to BC, and this BE it will be the transversal, and therefore this angle and this angle will be the alternate interior angles, and these two alternate interior angles will be equal, and also this angle and this angle will be the vertically opposite angle. So these two will be equal, and therefore by AA criteria these two triangles are similar triangles. Now we will note down up to this, that in triangle AEL and triangle CBL we have, suppose this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, we have angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because alternate interior angles, and also this angle, this and this, that is AME, angle AME, that is equal to this angle, that is BLC. Sorry, this angle is not AME, this angle is what? ALE, that is equal to angle BLC because vertically opposite angles, and therefore by AA criteria these two will be equal, similar. Therefore triangle AEL is similar to triangle CBL. So these two triangles are similar by AA similarity rule, and therefore since these two are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. So EL, its corresponding side is BL, so EL upon BL that will be equal to AE upon BC. AE, this AE and BC, that will be the corresponding sides. So these two ratios will be equal because these two triangles are similar. And now we can solve further. So this we can write as EL upon BL, that is equal to this AE we can write as, go to the figure, that this AE we can write as AD plus DE. AE can be written as AD plus DE. But we know that AD and DE are equal to BC, correct? AD, BC and DE, all three are equal. Therefore, in place of AD and DE, we can write BC. So, it will be equal to AE can be written as AD plus DE upon BC. AD plus DE upon BC, and therefore EL upon BL, that is equal to, this both are equal to BC. So BC plus BC, that will be equal to twice of BC. This is from 1 and name this as number 1. And so upon BC. So this BC and BC will get cancelled. Take BL to the other side. So you will get EL is equal to twice of BL, and hence it is proved.